Guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make some money by just commenting on Facebook. This site, the OLSP system, will be paying you 25 cents per comment. And here is how you do it, okay? So first of all, you need to get your account with the OLSP system. I put the link in the description below that you can go there and sign up for one account. Then you can log into your dashboard and you will see Comment Dominator Pro right here. And you can click on Access Products. Once you are in, you will see these are the 3 simple steps. First, click on the view link to see the post and comment on it. Then you will make a comment. And after that, you need to find the link for the comment and then you submit it. After that, you just need to wait for getting the commissions. Now, look at this. Here are the posts that you will be given. And for example, the first one, you can click on view. Then you will see what it is about. Look at this, okay? Okay. So this was live 5 minutes ago. You can just like it. Okay. In an event for the group, I have put okay. You can just know that how to make more money with less work. Okay. I am looking forward to hearing more about this. Okay, you make a comment and then you just enter. And now you will see there's a timeline here for the comments. You can just click on that one and you can just copy this one. And you go back to the OLSP system. You go here and you click on Submit. Now the same process you can do for this post right here. It just be the exact same thing, okay? And when you are done, you can click on this switch button right here and you will see there are posts that will be assigned commission like this. That means I already earned money with these comments posts, okay? And these are the pending posts right here. That means they are await for being approval. And now you can see I have already made 112 comments and I made 26.75 cents. Okay, so that is really easy how it is. And this is just a really small part in the OLSP system. You can make more and even big commission with this program. How about $2,600 per sale? Can you imagine that? But don't worry, you don't have to buy too much to start with this program, to earn big with this program. You don't have to, okay? So that's it for this video. If you don't have an OLSP system account yet, go to the link in my bio.